POCO is all set to launch its second device today at 12 p.m. The device comes almost 18 months after the big reveal of POCO F1. POCO X2 will be aiming to cash in on the hype created for the first generation device. They have been teasing the phone since December last year, and the process has revealed quite a lot of detail regarding that particular device. So in this video, I will be talking about all the things which are known regarding that particular device. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. First, we are going to talk about the design of that particular device. Prior to the official launch, the company has released a teaser which gives us a strong idea about what to expect in terms of design of upcoming POCO X2. The device showed in the teaser has a resemblance with the recently launched Redmi K30, which was revealed in China. If the teaser is to be believed, the new device seems like a rebranded version of Redmi K30. This could be both a good and bad news for potential buyers. With the first generation, Xiaomi opted for something entirely different. The design was undeniably basic, but the company claimed that it helped them limit the price. But with the X2, the leaks suggest that it will come with a more contemporary glass design. The device's teaser has a purple hue, and we expect the POCO to launch more color variant for the POCO X2. The front panel will come with an all-screen design with a punch-hole front-facing camera similar to Redmi K30. One can expect a slim chin at the bottom of the screen. Next, if we talk about the performance of that device, if the phone is a rebranded version of Redmi K30, the POCO X2 will feature a Snapdragon 730G processor inside, which is a chipset that has been peaked for gamers. Considering the marketing of the device, which is heavily focused on gamers, 730G is what buyers can expect. This processor is 15% faster than the Snapdragon 730. In terms of camera, the phone is expected to carry a camera setup identical to Redmi K30. There are 4 different sensors in the primary camera. The main camera is including a 64-megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor. 8-megapixel of ultra-wide camera is going to be seen in this device, 2-megapixel of a micro shot, 2-megapixel of a macro shooter, and a 2-megapixel of a depth sensor camera is expected to be seen in this particular device. In terms of display, POCO hasn't been shying away from 120Hz display that will features in the POCO X2. Though we are not sure about how the device will be placed, it is definitely be one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest devices in terms of high refresh rate display. In terms of battery, POCO X2 has a big shoe to fill in terms of battery too. The POCO F1 battery life was amazing, the best when it was launched. However, the added burden of 120Hz refresh rate will test its battery life. The device is expected to feature a 4500 mAh of a battery and will come with a 27 watt of fast charging capacity. The phone will use a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Headphone jack is also supported in that particular device. There would be a side-mounted fingerprint scanner to maintain a clean aesthetic and still stick to the cost-effective LCD display. Lastly is about the price of that device, and it has been a tight-lip for about the price of the new X2. However, the use of new cheaper but efficient chipset indicate that Xiaomi might launch this device in a price range of $261, and 3 different variants like 64GB, 128GB and 256GB of internal storage has been seen in this particular device. We'll see that $221 is going to the price of base variant, 238 going to be the 128GB variant price, and 256GB variant is going to be priced at $252. So that is pretty much it we know right now, and today is going to be the launching date for POCO X2, and we might see all the details regarding that device. My gut feeling is that we will see a rebranded version of the Redmi K30 based on all the leaks and rumors and specifications which has been released, which confirms that upcoming POCO X2 is a Redmi K30 rebranded version. If you like this video, a sub will be massively appreciated. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.